It looks like on the inside, B. Show them the inside. Nice, fresh catfish, pre-breaded, ready to go. Great for family, fried for the family at night. Or you simply just take your catfish out. It's ready to go right in the hot grease. We got the grease at 325 degrees. Now we're just gonna drop that fish down in there. Look at that. One of the main things you wanna do when you're frying fish, you don't want your grease temperature to get below 325 degrees. So see, I'm running a little bit low, so I'm gonna turn the fire up a little bit. There I go, I'm at 324, 325. So that's where you wanna keep your grease temperature, between 325 and 350 degrees. I'm checking that grease temperature still. We're running right at 330, 335 degrees. Perfect grease temperature. Catfish are done now, B. Been about 5 minutes. Look at that golden catfish right there. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that, would you? Ooh-wee. Ain't that so pretty? All right, B, we're gonna go ahead and fry some more. Drop that fish down in there like that. Oh, right here out of the box, y'all. Already breaded, all ready to go, y'all. Don't get no easier than that right there, y'all. Go, that next batch ready. Look at that pretty golden fried catfish right there. Coming up out of that hot grease. Woo-wee, B, look at that. Look at that tray of fish right there. And then look, we're gonna grab that slobber knocker, the new slobber knocker seasoning. Southern boy, son, this here got some heat to it. We're gonna hit that. Ooh, look at that color going on there. Slobber knocker, boy. In here, look at that fish right there, y'all. I'm gonna grab me a couple pieces of that fish like that. Whoop, broke in half. That's all right. That's all right. We'll get the other half right there. All right, here we go now. Y'all, we got the slobber knocker sauce right here. Slobber knocker sauce. We got it going in right there on the fish. Woo, son. That slobber knocker is gonna add some heat to it. Shake that old ketchup a little bit. Put it right there on the eyeball of the fish. Look at that right there, y'all. All right, let's try a piece of that fish. Dip it in that slobber knocker, in that ketchup right there a little bit. Y'all, I'm telling you. Dang, that's some good fish. Super easy to do, y'all. It comes pre-breaded, froze, drop it in some hot grease, about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and 350 degrees. Pull it out, ready to eat. Slobber knocker, baby.